I've already got a GX7 in my arsenal, and I must admit when the GX8 and GX80 came out, we found ourselves in a situation where instead of producing a replacement for this model, they went and branched out into two different areas. What's happened now is the GX9 has produced a camera which is everything that we wanted in the replacement to the GX7. Just like the rest of the GX9 series out there, we've gone to 20 million pixels on here, there's 4K video, there's no anti-aliasing filter built into the sensor system, and of course we're rolling on a 1.24 million dot screen on the back of it, so detail is perfect. This is still a photographer's camera primarily. What they have done on the outside of this is reduce all the extra connections and other bits and pieces that could get in the way of the layout. So all you have on the side is a very clever little section for charging and the HDMI port, but everything else is gone. So no audio inputs, no additional remote cable connections. That's all done through Bluetooth control on the phone or tablet, but it is the smoothest possible little setup you could get now. The GX range has always been considered a photographer's camera, just something small, something light, but with easy control on there as well. And if we look at the layout of this one, nothing's really changed on that front. Quick access to exposure compensation is the first thing that's there. Now instead you've got two dials working away there so that you can control aperture, shutter speed very easily from the top of the camera. The layout itself across the whole camera is very familiar to the rest of the GX range. The bit that improves greatly is the size of this screen on the back, and then still having the viewfinder with the vari-angle option to it. You can pick up the GX9 in two different versions, so we've got body only and there's also been pairing of 12 to 60. With the way the GX9 operates, it's one of those cameras that's really showing the new evolution in series of products. If you think that that's going to be the case, that you're going to change yours, drop it in the comments below.